Roll-off dumpster rental service in Elkhorn, Nebraska. If you're planning a renovation, construction project, or a big cleanup in Elkhorn, Nebraska, RMS Dumpsters is here to help with all your roll-off dumpster rental needs. At RMS Dumpsters, we provide reliable, affordable, and convenient dumpster rental services to homeowners, contractors, and businesses throughout the Elkhorn area. Our roll-off dumpsters come in a variety of sizes, from 10 to 40 yards, to accommodate any project. Whether you're decluttering your home, remodeling your kitchen, or working on a large-scale construction job, we have the perfect dumpster for the job. Our team makes sure that your dumpster is delivered on time and placed exactly where you need it, making your project as efficient as possible. At RMS Dumpsters, we pride ourselves on offering excellent customer service. We understand the importance of getting the right dumpster for your specific needs, and we're always here to assist with any questions. Our flexible rental periods and transparent pricing make the process simple and stress-free. Don't let waste pile up on your property. Trust RMS Dumpsters to handle the heavy lifting. Call us today at 402-510-7016 to schedule your roll-off dumpster rental in Elkhorn, Nebraska. We're ready to make your cleanup or project easier than ever.